Put the trigger on there.
I'm glad you found that round. Do what they do and go all the way around and make it. Not literally. I'm not condoning
Damn!
as long as you say surprise first. Struggle to do.
That's a beast, that is, isn't it? In the corner bit.
He's on the left corner, right in the.
Like right in that corner? Or not?
Yeah, right, in the corner. He'll pop his head. He's still there.
Let's go around that way.
Okay.
Or are you?
We've got guys round there.
Shut in the forehead. Ooh. You're alright. Tiny little one.
Stand over here, have a moment. However, next time, when you've got cover like that, probably not a good idea to take your head up. There was a shotgun literally 4 foot away.
Oh, right.
Was it? Head way got flattened.
Where are we looking?
One behind the shed.
Hit! Yeah. I think... Brad, I think they're in the bushes to the right hand side. You know what the well, can you see that blue container in that bush to the left there? And possibly under the willow. Can you see if he's green?
The guys down there are friendly.
That guy there, yeah?
Yeah, that dude's friendly. That hit me, it went in the glove. Still counts as a kill though. I know. Move up a lot with that. Oh shit, I lost my thing on the floor.
I think he's in that bush on this side, behind the blue container, somewhere. Actually in the bush. Yeah, he's actually in the bush. Brad, go to the road and then push up this way.
I've got that guy in the bush.
This bush here?
Yeah, he's there, dead.
I think he's down, so move up. You alright? Guys, sniper! In that corner over there, to the right in the marsh, to the right. It'd be in the little alcove. I think there's a guy in this bush here. You see him over there, Gons, yeah? To the right, see where that marshal's playing with the gun?
Yeah.
Guys, careful in this bush to your left. You got him? You got him, yeah?
Right. Two people in the bushes just behind walls up there. I'm not dead, but I'm not going to get dead. No. Yeah, we're getting a lot of... See those people up there just on the wall?
The guy in the corner's down. Where you at, man? There's a guy in the corner. I think he's down. We're up to the right hand side of the village now. Oh, I got the guy that's down there. I got him. Oh, there's more. Go on, her. Grenade in the... Yeah. Oh yeah. Go on, have the grenade. Yeah. Chuck it.
Break top. Touch the fuse.
What do I do? Turn it upside down. Scrape that on that.
Don't strike it hard, just put it on and twist. That's it. Cheers, Connor. How many? One. Yeah! That's your kill, Garner.
Go and hit! There's still two in that corner.
Back up a bit, please. Oh, guys! You won't cover that.
Hit! Hit! Fuck! Oh, instant regen.
We've got guys to the left, yeah.
I bet I feel stupid when I'm doing it. Has that been in your pocket? What? Has that been in your pocket? That was loud.
The guy said that when I was cleaning the room, straight next to his anyway.
Yeah.
If only if I close my right eye, you'd be sorted.
Why can't you close it?
I can only close one eye. I even do it under that, without thinking about it.
Shot myself in the leg. That's why you put safety on.